Okay, let's have a go at doing the development of this transition piece. I've labelled around the outside A, B, C and D, and around the top edge 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore the numbers are going to be up in this top level and the letters on the bottom here. So let's find the length of 1A. Okay, we know 1 is here and A is there. Now it's not shown as a true length, so what we'll probably need to do is to bring it down parallel to the plane. So using the compass, the distance 1 to A, swing it round so that it is parallel, comes down to there, project it down to the bottom front view, and remember we go from where we started to where we finished. So there's 1, so that distance there from 1 to A will give me the true length of 1A, and that was a crow. So there, and there's the distance 1A. Now the distance between 1 and 2, because it's parallel in the front view, the top surface is parallel, that means it shows a true length in the top view, so I can just step the compass off there and just draw that as a true length distance between 1 and 2. Now what I need to do now is, if I know where 1 and A are, and I just think that 2 is somewhere on this arc, if I can now look at what the distance between A and 2. Okay, so I'm going to find that distance. So put my compass on 2. It's not a true length in either view, so I swing that down to the horizontal, project it down to the front view, and obviously we're trying to do this as accurately as we can. Number 2 is here in the front view, and here will be A, so the distance from 2 to A is that distance. So we go from A over here to 2, and there's point 2. Now that we've found 1 and 2 and A, we'll find B, the distance from A to B, true length. So I can just measure that now. Measure that true length AB, mark that off. We've now found 2, so the length from 2 to B, it's not a true length because it's not seen as parallel in either view, so we'll just rotate that round to the horizontal, project across to get the intersection point, project down to the front view, and then across, and we now know that if here is point 2, that now becomes point B. So I'll get my compass and I'll step off from 2 to B, and now there is 2 and there is B. So now, very simply, I know that from A to B and from 1 to 2, and I know that also in here is the fold line between 2 and B.